Eileen Veilleux, the fam here. Welcome to another easy DIY video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do beard oil. This one is for the guys out there. This is how you do a simple homemade essential oil, beard oil, instead of paying lots of money. Now, just so you know, the ingredients used is jojoba oil, which this is probably where most of your money is going to be, is in this. This little bit of oil is not cheap. And then your different essential oils and your container. They prefer using a small glass container, but I don't have any. You can do it in any size. This is a 2-ounce container, so we're going to make enough for 2 ounces. So saying that, this is what you do. Measure out exactly 2 ounces of your jojoba oil. So we're going to squeeze this so it's 2 ounces, which I will show you in a minute, which is probably, because this is a 4-ounce bottle, so it's about halfway. But the best way is to get it. Okay, there you can see it's a 2 ounce. If I can hold it straight, it's at the 2 ounce mark. That's your jojoba oil. That's your carrier oil that you're going to use. Jojoba is good. It softens your skin. It kind of mimics your natural oil in your skin. So that's why it's good. And we're going to be using a little lavender. Because lavender is good, it's soothing. You add your drops in there of your lavender. A little tea tree, because tea tree is good for your skin and your beard. And I'm using a dropperful of each. We're using a dropperful of the petroli, if I said that right. And the last one, we're going to put just a little bit more in. It's the cedarwood, because cedarwood is excellent for your beard. But for the extra scent, we're going to put just a little bit more in than we did on the other ones. Okay? Now that we have our oils, then you take your jar and you pour it in your jar. I might have to make a little bit more, but it's supposed to be 2 ounces. Make sure, because it's in there, you just want to go all the way. Let all the oils go in there. And this is for men to start conditioning their beard, to get it soft so it's not so wiry. Okay. And then you put the cover on. Shake it to make sure it's mixed. Oh, nice smell. And there's your beard oil. Simple, easy, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to be looking for more men because most of the other things I've been doing are the females, so I'm going to be starting to do in some men's and some essential oils that you can use just for the home. So until I see you again, have an awesome day. Bye.